Finally, the last topic we'll cover in this class is AI ethics. Often, scientists go about doing science without asking questions about the ethics of the science they do. We are also engrossed in questions of funding and proposals and papers. However, part of our job as scientists is to ask the question about, are we doing the right kind of things? There are a large number of questions connected with the ethics of AI. We'll post a small number here today. There are no easy answers to these questions, so we invite you to discuss these questions on the forum. First, AI ethics pertain to our economy and our society. We have talked a lot in this course about designing AI agents that can act and think and behave like humans. However, in the process, we quite likely will replace some human jobs with robots. We have talked, for example, of robots that can assemble a camera. Does this mean that humans who assemble the cameras today will lose their jobs? Of course, a counter-argument is that new jobs might be created, for example, jobs for designing robots. Nevertheless, there are hard issues about the ethical implications of AI in terms of human economy and society. Second, much of the modern development of AI is driven by defense applications all across the world. We already have drones, for example. It is not far-fetched to imagine a future where there are robot soldiers on the battlefield. What are the implications of introducing robot soldiers? Should we build morality into these soldiers? How do we do so? And if we are to build morality into robots, what does it teach us about our own morality? A third and related question is that if we start building human characteristics like creativity and morality into AI agents, at what point do these agents become like humans? At what point do we start talking about civil rights for these machines because they are indistinguishable from humans? The idea has been touched upon in the popular culture a lot, but it is coming closer and closer to reality. What are the criteria under which we would consider machines to be equal to humans?